Join us and discover beautiful beaches, rugged landscapes, pretty towns, desolate mountain ranges that sweep down to stunning lakes, unique architecture, history and folklore, no shamrocks, no shillelaghs, and definitely no shenanigans, just naked Ireland. Finally, we come to our fourth film in this series on the Ulster Transport Museum, and I hope you've enjoyed it all. Seek out the other films if you haven't seen them yet. We're now at the Land, Sea and Sky Galleries and are immediately presented with this massive propeller blade from the Titanic sister ship Britannic. What a great sculpture it makes. Inside the gallery, under a monumental painting by Irish artist John Luke, The Road to the West, is an exhibition of very early means of transport, including this quaint tinker's caravan. Jumping forward then to the 20th century, this is a really interesting car designed and built by local engineer Davy Woods and motorcycle racer Artie Bell. Purely as a labour of love, it took 8 years to build, and I think it's pretty spectacular. It would give James Bond's Aston Martin a run for its money. It was called a DAWB 6, a name crafted from the initials of its creators' names. And over here we have a locally built John Crossley Mark III racing car. Then we see a group of motorbikes with local connections too, including this Bitsa, built by George Brockerton, so called as it was made out of bits of this and bits of that. And this crazy little buggy is the McCandless Mule Car, a prototype off-road four-wheel drive vehicle. And how would you like to make that final journey in this 1924 Rolls-Royce hearse? But it's not just cars in this exhibition space. Believe it or not, this isn't a real DeLorean sports car, just a full-scale model. There's an interesting exhibition here devoted to this machine, made famous by Back to the Future, of course. But I'll save that for a future video devoted to DeLorean. I well remember these ambulances when I was young, though I don't quite understand the disc attack effect inside this one. These tractors are by world famous Harry Ferguson, a man whose name is synonymous with the tractor. But he's perhaps not so well known as an aviator, and this is a replica of a plane of his own design, the Ferguson monoplane. And staying in the field of aviation, this is a prototype of the first vertical takeoff airplane built by Short Brothers of Belfast. Please take a moment now to give the video a like and to please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss future videos that might be of interest to you. We end this video with what might look like a very humble bicycle, but these pneumatic tyres by John Dunlop changed the face of motoring in the 20th century. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the innovative exhibits here at the Ulster Transport Museum, and I'll see you again soon.